Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see about soft link and hard link in Linux. The soft link or a symbolic link is an actual link to the original file which acts like a pointer which points to the original file, whereas the hard link is the mirror copy of the original file. If you delete the original file, the soft link has no values because it points to the non-existent file, but in the case of hard link, even if you delete the original file, the hard link will still have a data of that original file because hard link acts as a mirror copy of the original file. Now we can see some difference between the soft link and hard link. Soft link can cross the file system, but the hard link can cross the file system boundaries. So you can create the soft link across all the file systems. The hard link cannot be created across the file systems. The soft links allows you to link between directories, but hard link cannot link directories. It can link only files. The soft link has a different inode number and file permissions than the original file, but the hard link has the same inode number and the permissions of the original file. For the soft link, the permissions will not be updated, but for the hard link, the permissions will be updated if we change the permissions of the source file. The soft link contains only the path of the original file, not the contents, but the hard link contains the actual contents of the original file, so that you can still view the contents even the original file is moved or deleted. Now we can see some examples for the soft link and hard link. Now I'm going to create a directory and just change directory. I've just added the original.txt file and added some content to it. Now save the file and exit. Now I'm going to create a soft link for this file. The command is ln-s original.txt, and for the soft link we can give it as soft link.test. Now we can see the soft link is created for this original.txt file, and here you can see the permissions. We can view the file with the inode number. For that you can use the command ls-lai. Now here you can see the inode number and the permissions is not the same for the soft link and the original file. Both the inode number and the file permissions will be changed for the soft link. Now we can test the soft link by removing it. Now I'm going to remove the original file rm-rf original.txt. Now we can see just the soft link is available. When we try to cat the soft link, you can see the message there is no such file or directory. Without the original file, the soft link cannot be accessed. From this we can understand that the soft link is just a link that points to the original file. It is similar to a shortcut to a file. If we remove that file, the shortcut is useless. Now we can see how to create a hard link. Now I'm going to create the same file, that is original.txt, and add contents to it. Just adding test and save the file and exit. Now I'm going to create a link for that file, that is hard link for that file, ln original.txt hard link .test. We just need to give ln for creating the hard link. No options is needed, just give enter. Now we can see the hard link is created. We can use the ls-lai command to get the inode information, and here you can see the inode number and the permissions all are same for this hard link file and the original contents, that the original file and the hard link file has the same permission and inode number. Now I am going to remove the original file and test the hard link. I am going to remove it. Now we can see we have only the hard link file Now I am able to access the hard link file because it's the original. The hard link is just a copy of the original file, so you can be able to access without the source file. Now I am going to create another link for this hard link file, hardlink.test2, and we have now two files with the same contents. Just you can check it. Now I'm going to add some content to the first file. I'm going to add another line, test2. Now save the file and exit. Now if we cat the another hard link file, we'll be getting the same content. Now you can see the contents is the same for both the. If you're going to edit the source file, the contents will be copied from that source file to the hard link that you have created. In this video we saw about the soft link and hard link in Linux with some examples. Please post your suggestions in the comment box and subscribe to my channel for more technology videos, and please press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. Thank you for watching.